Flight 6956 headed to Baltimore, Orlando, and Albany. Thanks for your patience this morning. I apologize for the delay. It's due to the panel there in the aft cargo compartment that had a screw loose. So the mechanics tightened up the screw for us. Just as he signs off, we'll be on our way. Flying time today, 50 minutes from takeoff, touchdown, flying at an altitude of 28,000 feet. The weather right now in the Baltimore area, calm winds, fairly cloudy skies, temperature is 67 degrees. Just got the paperwork done, so we should be leaving very shortly. Thanks for joining us.
Time we close the port entry door for pushback when the airline seatbelts securely fastened. All tray tables and seat backs to be in their full upright and locked position. Please ensure all of your carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you. Electronic devices must be in airplane mode. Larger laptop computers, please make sure they're stowed at this time. Flight attendants, please arm and cross-check your door for pushback.
Why, if you were going so, it's fine.
Doesn't have any. It works off the Wi-Fi. They don't have Wi-Fi. Don't have a chip. You have cell phone.
Yes, doors are armed and cross-checked for pushback.
And ladies and gentlemen, have your attention for just a brief moment. We'd like to point out safety features on board our Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. Properly fastened seatbelts, you're going to slide the flat end to the buckle to release the thumb on the top of your buckle. Seatbelts should be worn tight low across the hips, with them anytime you're seated. Seatbelt signs are illuminated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors at the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to an emergency exit. Safety information card is in that seat back or literature pocket in front of you. Take it out and follow along. In the event of a water evacuation, you're going to use your life vest located underneath your seat. Remove the vest only when told to do so by tying the red tab across the top to open the pouch and place the vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle in front, and pull to tight. Put out the red tabs located in front to inflate your face as you're leaving the aircraft. To make inflate, you're going to pull it to fit your shoulder. We also have life rafts on board. 1 is located in the forward cabin and 2 are at the over wings. Recovery by this time and check and make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Tray tables and seat backs are in their full upright and locked position. All the carry items are stowed so you're not blocking access to that main aisle, leaving the aircraft in your seat and be completely clear. Smoking, including use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on board at any time, including lavatories, and federal law does prohibit you tamper with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector installed in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations also require you compliance with all posted placards, lighted information signs, and crew with verbal instructions, including information on seatbelt signs and smoking. There's 2 lavatories on board this aircraft, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. There's absolutely no standing at any time during the flight. Here in the forward part of the cabin, we're waiting for this lavatory. If it is occupied, there will be a red X on the ceiling that will indicate that this forward lavatory is occupied. We do ask you return to your seat or use a lavatory that is located in the back of the aircraft, and this is strictly enforced on every Southwest Airlines flight. We never anticipate a change in cabin pressure. If one did occur, there's 4 oxygen masks dropped from a compartment overhead. Reach up and pull down firmly on that mask to the plastic tubing is fully extended. Placing the mask over your nose and mouth will just less the bands around your head and breathe normally. Although oxygen will be full, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. Continue wearing your mask to otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. If you travel with small children or any special assistant, please make sure you're putting on your mask first. That's it for the do's and don'ts, folks. Please do the do's, not the don'ts. We'll have a great flight. Flying time will be a very short 50 minutes from our takeoff to our touchdown. We'll adjust the cabin lighting this morning for takeoff. If you need additional lighting for reading, please locate that reading light just above you in the passenger service unit. You'll see that it's a key that looks like a little bitty light bulb. Welcome on board. We've been